Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to hide a face with a blurred effect in CapCut. So here you just need to add the video and then copy it, then make one of the video as overlay like this, then add the blur effect. So you can find it on the video effects, lens, and then blur. Click on the check icon and please make sure that it has the same length as the clip. Then click on the object and choose overlay. Okay, so now click on the overlay clip, this one, and then find mask. Then select the circle one, and here move the blur effect to the face part of the clip, like this for example. Okay, you can just adjust it as you like and move it like this. Then click on the check icon and you are done. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video, so don't forget to comment, subscribe, click on the thanks and thumbs up icon. Bye.